Chinese?
Yeah.
A little bit or all language? 都行呗。跟东北人在一起吧？跟东北人说的比较多吧？
东北人
跟谁学的？
江苏的。
江苏那边。验货验的挺顺利吗？验货验的挺顺利吗？不顺利。验货验的顺利吗？How is the quality control on the goods you have finished?
还行。
还行。The first floor is our trading center. Here. For example, student economy. So we have a little showroom here.
Very popular on Christmas.
But some we have customer to buy. The first one is more big. This kind of things very wholesale in America, Canada. My biggest factory make this mostly. And this is all the brand company. We just sell the bag. Preschool is just half of my business. So this is all over the world. All this way. New Zealand, Canada, American, Australia, and also laminated. This one is all zebra. We can go up.